I'm Mariette Barsoum, owner of Divine Design Center in Boston, Mass. At Divine, we're all about how you live. It is very important. Our homes are our sanctuary, especially in the last few years. So it is very important for us at Divine to make sure that you are getting the dream home that you are looking for, whether this be a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, or a closet and a bedroom or a bathroom. It is how you feel in that particular home, how this home makes you feel. It's about creating memories for our clients. We started our company about 20 years ago out of small suburbs in Boston. It was a very, very small showroom, 900 square feet. Took out all of our savings and we started the showroom and we never looked back.